Street Soup is a brand born in 2018 in Ukraine in a family-based company. We reinvented soups to go. We grow peas in our fields. Harvest in June, peel it and cook. Then we dry it and get bean flakes. Add natural spices and salt. We create recipes in cooperation with the best chefs in Ukraine. Street Soup is your soup to go in a cup, which is always with you, wherever you are. When you travel, while walking in the office, after a workout, or at home when you do not have time to cook. Our team create natural instant soups to go in a cup, made of pulses. We produce soups from yellow peas, chickpeas and lentils. We use only natural ingredients. Pulses are great natural source of plant protein. Instant food can be healthy and delicious. All colleagues love their job and understand the mission they carry. Street soups are now sold in more than 16 countries around the world. We are constantly expanding our brand's presence in the world. We offer our soups for every day of the week. Pea soup or a variety of soup with mushrooms, tomatoes, lentils, chickpeas or spinach. Just open the cup, add boiled water, stir well and enjoy your lunch within 1 minute. Our dream is to sell our soups all over the world, so that everyone could enjoy natural, healthy food made in Ukraine. Street Soup – natural food to go for those who care.